What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of TapLab, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to send and receive Bitcoin using the Cash App. So as you probably know from my previous videos, Cash App allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin. If you want to learn more about Cash App or the Bitcoin process within the Cash App, be sure to check out my other videos. There's a playlist with tons of videos for you to learn how. You can tap on the dollar amount on the top of the screen and then swipe right, and that will bring you to the Bitcoin section or your Bitcoin wallet. And this is where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. However, you can also send this Bitcoin that you own to a different wallet, or you can have a different Bitcoin wallet send money here rather than using the buy and sell features. To do that, you want to be on the home screen, and then you can tap your icon on the top left. That's going to open up sort of the menu here. And then what you want to do is scroll down until you see Bitcoin, and then you can tap on Bitcoin. And then it'll give you a little more information, and you want to scroll down to this wallet section. If you don't have the wallet section yet, there will be a section here that says verify your identity. So go ahead and tap on that and then fill out the necessary information to verify your identity, and then it'll take about a couple hours for them to process this and verify your identity, and then you'll be good to go. And then basically this will give you your Bitcoin wallet address, and you'll be able to send money to this address or withdraw money from your Bitcoin wallet to a different Bitcoin wallet. So if you want to send more Bitcoin to your Cash App from a different wallet, let's say you have Bitcoin on Coinbase and you want to send that to Cash App, you would hit deposit Bitcoin, and this is going to give you your Cash App Bitcoin address. So then you could copy your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, and then when you're on whatever other wallet you use, Coinbase or Binance, you would hit the send button over on that platform, and you would paste in this address right here, and then when you hit send, it's going to send that Bitcoin over here. If you want to send money from your Cash App here to a different wallet, you would want to hit withdraw Bitcoin. Then you can select the amount here, hit withdraw on the bottom. And then if the wallet that you are sending to has a QR code, you can go ahead and scan that here or hit enter manually. If you do enter manually, you're going to paste in the wallet address from wherever you want to send this to. So you would paste that in and then just hit next and hit done on the confirmation. But yeah, that's how you find your Bitcoin wallet information using the Cash App. Just go to the menu here, tap on Bitcoin, and then you can scroll down and it's going to give you your wallet address. In this section right here is what you're going to use to send and receive Bitcoin to different wallets. Like I said, if you don't ever want to send your Bitcoin off of Cash App, you can also buy and sell within Cash App just by hitting buy and sell on the bottom of the screen here. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Drop a like on this video. Turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard.